Hi guys! Joy here. I'm getting ready and I'm done with my skin prep. So nag-apply na ako ng toner, ng skin serum sa skin ko. And then as my makeup base, nag-apply ako nitong Snail White Sunscreen CC. And now, I am about to apply a powder foundation sa face ko. So usually, pag nagme-makeup ako, ito yung ina-apply ko, itong BLK All Day Matte Powder Foundation in Light Beige shade. Ganito siya. Let me show it to you. Ayan, gamit na gamit ko siya guys, see? But then, yesterday, kung napanood nyo yung aking video, I have this new BLK product, yung kanilang Soft Blur Powder Foundation, this one, in linen shade. And itatry ko siyang gamitin ngayon for the very first time. So guys, before applying this product, let me read to you the introduction of this Soft Blur Powder Foundation written at the back of its box. Like a filter for real life, this weightless powder foundation blurs blemishes and pores, putting the focus back on soft, matte skin. The flexible formula keeps you looking fresh all day, reducing shine and delivering light to full coverage that you can control. So yan ang nakalagay sa likod ng box ng kanyang packaging. So, it's time to try this linen shade Soft Blur Powder Foundation from BLK. Oh! OMG, amazing! Ang galing ng coverage niya, guys. Ang smooth agad tingnan ng aking face. Kaso medyo napadami lang ako ng apply. So there you go. This is what my face looks like after applying the Soft Blur Powder Foundation in linen shade. Ang masasabi ko unang-una is that medyo malayo yung linen shade sa skin tone ko. I got the wrong shade, but it's okay. I still have another one, yung oat shade. But napaka-lightweight niya, guys. Tama nga yung nakalagay dito na weightless siya. And then, amazing yung coverage kasi yung blemishes, yung mga pores, na hide niya talaga. Grabe, ang ganda ng coverage. O, diba? And then, nakita ko dito sa ingredients, guys, na may niacinamide siya. So, you know what niacinamide can do to your skin. Ayan, nakalagay dito guys. So, maliit kasi, kaya I don't know if makikita nyo. Basahin nyo na lang if ever you're gonna buy this product. So, that's it. I'm gonna continue applying makeup na. Thank you for watching. Till the next one, guys. See ya!